Rocky and Priya had been married for 7 years. Every year they hoped for a baby, but their hopes were always broken. Priya prayed to God every single day, and Rocky tried everything. He went to doctors and even to holy places. Time kept passing, but their house still had no sound of a child's laughter. Every night before sleeping, Priya prayed.
Oh God, please bless my home with a small light of happiness.
Finally, one day, God answered their prayers. Priya gave birth to a baby girl. But everyone was shocked. The baby was as small as a tumbler. The doctors worried and said,
This baby is very weak. It will be hard for her to survive.
but Priya looked at her little daughter, held her tiny finger, and said,
She is the answer to my prayers. As long as I am alive, nothing will happen to her.
The baby was small, but her face shined with a strange light. Whenever she cried, the dark room filled with brightness as if darkness could not stay near her. One night, Rocky was returning home from work. Some thieves followed him. Rocky got scared and started running. As soon as he picked up the baby, a bright light came out of her little hand. The thieves were blinded and fell down. Rocky was safe. Shocked, Rocky told Priya,
This tiny angel, she is protecting us. Her light is saving us.
Soon the villagers started talking about the baby. Some said, This is not a normal human baby. She must be from another world. Others thought they could use her light for their own benefit. Slowly, fear and greed spread in the village. One night, a few men broke the gate of Priya's house and tried to steal the baby. Priya held her daughter tightly and cried.
Leave my baby. She's my life.
At that moment, the baby raised her tiny finger. Suddenly, a powerful light spread everywhere. The whole village woke up, and the thieves ran away covering their faces. Priya's tears turned into tears of gratitude. The next morning, an old wise man came to the village. He had seen what happened. He went to Priya's house and said,
Daughter, don't be afraid. Your baby is a sign from God. She may be small, but she is a blessing and mercy for you. Her light will protect you and your whole village.
Rocky and Priya's eyes filled with tears. They hugged their tiny angel. They finally understood that their daughter was not just a baby. She was truly a tiny miracle. After years of waiting, patience, and tears, Rocky and Priya not only got a daughter, but also a living sign of God who brought light into their lives. Moral: never think that small things are unimportant. Sometimes the smallest light is enough to break the darkest night. Press the subscribe button to watch more videos.